We are going to do a live unboxing and honest review of the Magnetic Fast Wireless Charger by Oandes. You'll see magnetic wireless charger for iPhone 15, 14, 13, and 12. You'll see the base here, which is the magnetic base. You'll also see a USB-C that plugs into a USB. On the back of the box, also, it gives me installation steps, technical specifications, and safety notices, which is really nice as well. Everything in one location. It's in this little holder, which is nice. And we can pop this guy out. Let's see how long it is. I'm actually interested to see because I need something that takes that's pretty long to come from my nightstand. Oh yeah, that's great. Okay, it's almost as tall as I am, to say the least. It is almost exactly as tall as I am, and I'm 5'7". So if that tells you how long this is. It's also a really sleek top. As you can see here, it says it's a Model C8. And if I take this off the top, it's kind of shiny and it has a little lightning there, which is nice. You can also see the little USB extension here and the USB-C cord. They also came with a kind of like how to use this and a little like installation guide. And last but not least, there's also a little business card that says, like, if you have any questions or any issues, you can use this. I'm going to go ahead and do the USB attachment, and I'm going to plug it into this. You can see it is now blinking, so I'm assuming that means that it's on. Go ahead and try what it looks like with my AirPods on here. Hey, did you hear that? Okay, so it looks like it is charging. My AirPods are not falling off when I go to the side, which is really nice. All right, so you'll also see a blue little light on the actual charger itself, which means to me that it is charging. So I think this is really cool. I'll see what it's like and like how long it takes to charge things. But overall, I mean, it's holding this by literally me having this upside down, which I think is really cool. It seems like a very strong magnet.